Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode is all about the 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. I'm going to show you how to use the kick to open hands-free power liftgate. I'm going to show you how to lower and stow away the third row seats, and I'm going to show you how to use the kick to open hands-free sliding side doors. So first, with the vehicle off and the key fob in your pocket, purse, or hand, make sure you kick right down the center or it's not going to work for you. There you go. Just so you know, this is also hands-free kick to close, okay? When you're lowering your third row seats and stowing them, if you ever get confused or lost, there is a diagram right there for you. But check this out. I'm going to show you. It's really easy. So pull on this handle right here, pull towards you, and it will fold and stow away automatically. Super easy. Same thing over here. Pull the handle, folds, stows away. Now lifting it up, just as easy. Same handle, right? Pull up, but move it forward, just like that. Listen to that click, okay? That means it's locked. Pull on the strap. This has a really nice recline too, FYI. Okay, this side, just as easy. Pull up on the handle, move it forward like that. Wait for the click. Use the strap, pull it into place. Like I said, it has a really nice recline. Okay, and then of course, you have your headrest. Okay, easy breezy. Now, check this out. These sliding doors, again, the vehicle has to be off and the key fob has to be in your pocket, purse, or hands. Look at the door sill. You'll see this icon right here. That's where you kick. So same thing, kick, straight up. It will automatically open for you. Now, you could also use your key fob to open up these doors. You can use kick to close again, or there's another button right here to close the sliding door. You have this function on either side. But if you want to learn more about the 2024 Toyota Sienna Hybrid and its amazing fuel efficiency, check out my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.